Good evening everyone. Today's first topic is methods to make entries for purchase voucher. In Tally ERP9, there are 4 methods to enter purchase vouchers. First is as voucher mode. Second is as invoice mode. Third is item invoice mode. Fourth and last is accounting invoice. Our second topic is making purchase voucher entry as voucher mode. To make voucher entry in Tally ERP9. From Gateway of Tally, go to Accounting Vouchers. Now press F9 to select Purchase. Now press Ctrl+V to select Voucher mode. We will make the voucher entry for transaction visible on the screen, which is on 1st of August 2024 purchased goods wide invoice No. 9 from Expert Services on credit worth 80,900, GST rate is 5%. Write supplier invoice number. Write date of transaction. You can see, by default it is in to and by format. To change it into credit-debit format, press F12 to open configuration. You will find option of use credit-debit instead to buy during entry. Change it to yes and save. In credit, select supplier's ledger, Expert Services. Write details if you want on new screen. Press Ctrl+N to open the calculator. The purchase amount is 80,900 and the GST rate is 5%. Calculate GST amount and add in purchase amount. Write 84,945 in amount. Press Enter. Select purchase at the rate 5% in debit ledger. In amount, write 80,900. Now select input CGST at the rate 2.5%. In amount, write 2022.5. Now select input SGST at the rate 2.5% and write same amount as CGST. In narration, write being goods purchased wide bill number 9. Press Enter and accept the screen. Our third topic is making purchase voucher entry as invoice mode. We will make entry for this transaction in invoice mode. On the 1st of August 2024, purchased goods wide invoice number 207 by cash worth 1500. GST rate is 5%. Currently we are in voucher mode. To change into invoice mode, press Ctrl+V. Write 207 in supplier invoice number. Also write the date. In party account name, select cash. For now, leave item name empty. We will learn about it in inventory topic. Select purchase at the rate 5%. Write purchase amount. Now select input CGST at the rate 2.5%. It will automatically calculate tax amount. Press Enter and select input SGST at the rate 2.5%. In narration, write being goods purchased. Press Enter and accept the screen. Our fourth topic is how to view the purchase register. To view purchase register, from Gateway of Tally, go to Display or press D. Now go to Account Books or press A. Go to Purchase Register or press P. Select any month to view that month's purchase register. Press Alt+F2 to select period for which you want to view the transactions. Now you can see all the transactions of that period.